this is Angie at Stamp with Amore, and today I am sharing these cute little treat bags. And these are using, again, I love the Designer Series paper, so I am using the 2018-2020 Designer Series paper on this one, but I am using Cherry Cobbler on this one. So we have it in all our color groups that we have. We have it in the brights, subtles, regals, and our in colors. So it all comes with the polka dots and stripes, and I've showed it before in different videos. We're using this little bird. That's why I made this. I wanted to use this little bird so bad. He was so cute. And he is from the Pennant. And I love this stamp set. I mean, you look at the alphabet that you have here to use. This little flower I did the other day using the Stamparatus. If you haven't seen that video, check it out, the Stamparatus technique and making a wreath. And I used this one right here. But this bird was so cute, and he was just calling my name. So I really wanted to use that one. So that is what I'm using for this. And so today we're going to go ahead and make another blueberry bushel ones. These would be super cute for little party favors. You can fit like 3 of the Hershey's miniatures in there, or you can put the Hershey's nuggets in there, some kisses, anything you like, but it's so cute. And we have our new little clips, and that's what I'm using, and it coordinates with all the in colors that we have. This one I used the lovely lipstick on, but you can see it looks really cute with the Cherry Cobbler also. Probably also with the real red it would look cute. So you can use any of the blues or any of the colors that coordinate. I'm sure that the Daffodil Delight will coordinate really well with this yellow one. And so we're going to use a blue one. Look how cute they're polka dotted just to match. They're so cute. And so this is what I'm sharing. So let's go ahead and get started. It's super quick and easy. That's why I said it'd be perfect to make for party favors and stuff. So you'll need a piece that's 4 by 6.5. I am using the thick Whisper White. It's not necessary, but I do like it for bags and boxes. And then you're going to need a piece of scrap Whisper White to stamp the bird, and then a scrap of the blueberry bushel. And then I'm using the 1/4 inch Whisper White ribbon. And then, of course, the in color Designer Series paper. Alright, so let's get scoring this. These go really, really quick. So on the 6.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2, at 2.5, 3.5, and 5.5. And then you're going to turn it and score it at 1. Alright, so that is it. So to cut this, we are going to, there's this little rectangle here, we're just going to cut that totally off. And our glue tab will be right here. So that's our glue tab. Got stuff sticking to this. And then on the bottom where our flaps are, we're just going to cut up each one of these. And I always take a little sliver out on each side. Come on. And then on this one. And that is it for cutting. So now we are ready to mat it. So let's get our pieces out here. Oh, the mat pieces, I didn't give you the measurements on that. The measurements for the mat pieces are 1 3/4 by 2 3/4. And then you need 2 of those, and then 2 of the 3/4 by 2 3/4. I always put the measurements on my blog, so you can check them out there. If you're new to my channel, most of you already know that. So we're going to mat this. And then we're going to mat the other one. I always debating to use the stripes on the side. I'm going to use the stripes on the side on this one, see how that looks. Because this side is striped. I think that'd be cute. So let's use the striped side. I always have to do something different, don't I, when I'm doing... Oh, these stripes are going the other way. Oh well. If you're going to do this, make sure your stripes are going the same way, because I did the stripes going this way. You know what? I can cut another piece really quick. It won't take long. And make sure the stripes are going the other way on this, because I got a couple scrap pieces here. So let's cut another one that's, this is 3/4 inches, because I'll probably use these by 2 3/4. Okay, let's do this right. Oops. When you're using the polka dot, it doesn't matter, but when you're doing it this way, it certainly does. I think that's cute. All right, so let's sharpen our score marks. And this is the thick, so it's really, really neat to sharpen these. And then I'm going to grab some tear and tape and, oops, it's sticking to me. We're going to, so I had one of my followers, a friend, she usually watches my videos, and she saw me struggling to get this off, and she told me to use these little tweezers, and you just go, look at how perfect that is. So for those of you who struggle with that, look how quick and easy. So I really appreciate the tips. So if anyone has any tips, I do appreciate when you... I've been getting some tips lately that have been really useful and helpful. So thank you so much. Alright, so this is going to be our front right here. I think it looks cute with the stripes. What do you think with the stripes and the... So I'm going to grab another piece of tear and tape. We're going to put that on the bottom. But this is just a lifesaver. It helps so much. I was really struggling. There we go. So this is our front. We're going to squeeze the top. Get our little mini clip here. And we're going to hold it together while we stamp. So I'm going to get my little whisper white, and we're going to get the little bird from the Pick a Pennant. And we're going to do a Memento Black first. This is a 2-step stamp. So we're just going to stamp in him in the Memento Black, and then we're going to use the Blueberry Bushel. I should have put some candy in there. I think I will. It looks better. It kind of caves in a little bit when you don't have candy in it, so I'm going to put a couple in there. Yeah, that's much better. There, now we have candy. So we're going to use the Blueberry Bushel, and I'm going to stamp off on this and then stamp him. He's so cute. I love this little bird. And I'm going to use the 1-inch circle punch. Had to look to make sure I had the right one. I'm going to punch him out, and then we're going to use the 1 3/8 scallop for the little scallop circle. I'm going to attach that. You can see how quick these go together. I'm going to put him right in the middle, and we'll put him right under there. You don't even have to glue him or anything if you don't want to. Then I'm going to just make a little bow. Boy, my nails are terrible. My girl is on vacation and I'm dying. I need to get them done so bad. So don't look at them. They're terrible. I've been waiting patiently. I went on vacation and then she went. So it's been a while. All right, so I'm going to use a little glue dot. And we're going to just attach it to our little mini clip right in the middle. So when you take the mini clip off, it'll come off. The ribbon will come with it. So there you have it. Look how cute they are. I love these little bags. They're so cute. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day, everyone. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.